My electrolytes, my dear electrolytes, you have just expressed in front of me the knowledge of the features of my kingdom and your strong will to enter it. I am ready to satisfy you if only you believe in me. Please sit down and let answer to my admission questions. Ready to profess your faith?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe that my kingdom of God is neither far nor after? This present reality you are living, and so requesting to pass through the death, yet only the ultimate phase of life, the completion of your historical improvement that will be first achieved here and now, and later on, even transferred elsewhere in another universe already prepared for this goal.
Do you believe that, according to my creative plan, you are called to become perfect like me? No longer a simple image, but God says I am God. Through joining your few talents with my infinite talents, and so to become not only immortal, getting the full possession of life, yet creative like me, and occupied in planning loving actions as fruits of fully free decisions.
Do you believe that in my kingdom you will basically enjoy the liberation from all the needs, necessities, and constraints which are limiting your freedom here on earth?
Do you believe that once liberated from the constraints in my kingdom, you will eventually take God with me in the following 4 ways? A. First, through applying the pure creativity. B. Secondly, through getting the pure freedom of choice.